so happy that you're here today because I have a very special video. It's been a while since I've been in front of the camera to make content for this channel, although I keep recording and I've been showing you some artwork that I've been doing, and I actually have tried some art materials and supplies that I need to edit those videos and put them here for you because I just haven't had the time, or I haven't made the time. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Last year I commented that I was gonna switch things a little bit here in the channel, and I still haven't decided exactly what I want to do with this space. Of course, I'm open to your comments and suggestions, and I think it's gonna be more toward arts and art supplies than maybe journaling, but I don't know, because today the big surprise that I have to you is that I'm announcing my first ever journal for sale. I know that I've been saying that I'm gonna do a notebook for, I don't know, all through last year, and it is a lot of work. Honestly, I am very impressed, and I feel that they need a big shout out to all those people that have journals for sale and that they work on them, and I just admire what they do, because now that I've been doing it or trying to do it or finally did it, I know it's a lot of work, and I hope that you like what I did for you, because it is based on what I've been doing here in the channel for so many years, and it's actually one of the most seen videos in my channel and one of the ones that have the most responses from everyone. Some time ago, I made a video dedicated for having students organized for their school year. And that's the video that I'm talking about. And this is the notebook that I actually created for you guys. So I hope that you're gonna see it and appreciate it and like it and get it for yourself. I have it here, you might remember it. It was 22-24. This is how long it's been in the making. And I had some of the, the best layouts that I've been doing for years and years, and especially as a teacher, I wanted to do something that will help my students get organized. And it's not necessarily only for students, but it's honestly with them in mind, because when you're in school and you try to get organized, sometimes you don't even know where to start, how to do it. And do people really teach you that? I think I've learned more about organization in YouTube videos than anywhere else. I don't remember them teaching me that in school. So I thought of making a journal that will help anyone get organized, especially students. And here it is. The journal's called Get Stuff Done, because that's the aim of the notebook. And it's a student edition journal. So I hope that you like it. I'm gonna show you through the pages, and soon I'm gonna make a video so that you can see how to use it. Because at the end of the day, it has some text, and it explains you how you can get organized through these pages. But I just want you to have the best experience ever. So I want to make a how-to video so that you don't get lost and you don't doubt yourself or second think of anything that's there on the journal. This journal is for you. This journal is for you to get started, to get organized, to be very, very successful with everything you do. And the best part is that you can get it in hardcover or softcover. Yes, you'll see that it says not for sale because this is the proof. But soon, it's gonna be released, and I'm so very excited about this. And I think you're gonna like it and appreciate it. And I am so grateful to be able to do this and to have your support. Because without you, this couldn't be done. So I don't have enough words to thank you. And again, thank you because I'm asking you to take a look at it and see all of the benefits that it has for you. I do have to say that I love the flexibility of the soft cover, but the hardcover has a very quality paper. And we'll be putting that to the test in the following video. The journal will be available in a lot of different Amazon marketplaces, such as the US, Canada, the UK, France, Italy, and of course, Spain. Which reminded me that the Spanish version is coming out soon. Thank you so much again. I'll see you real soon in the next video. And in the meantime, keep creative, keep safe, and always be kind. And I'll see you soon. Bye! Please like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!